The construction handover process is a critical phase in any building project, marking the transition from contractor to the client or facility management team. A well-executed handover ensures that the project meets all quality, safety and functional requirements, minimum post-construction issues and disputes. A poor handover, on the other hand, can lead to operational inefficiencies, costly delays and maintenance headaches. In this video, we are going to discuss a step-by-step approach to a smooth and successful construction handover, covering essential tasks, best practices and common challenges. Handover should not be an afterthought, it must be planned from the beginning of the construction project. Early planning ensures proper documentation and record keeping throughout the project. It ensures clear expectations and roles for all stakeholders. It ensures a streamlined and efficient transition process. Here are some key planning steps. Identify necessary documents, inspections and approvals. Assign duties to project managers, contractors and facility managers. Plan handover milestones early in the project life cycle. A comprehensive handover package should include all essential documents that provide detailed information about the building. These documents serve as a reference for maintenance, repairs and future upgrades. Here are some essential handover documents. As-built drawings show modifications made during the construction. Operation and maintenance manuals provide instructions for building systems. Warranties and guarantees cover installed equipment and materials. Inspection and testing reports confirm compliance with safety and quality standards. Legal and regulatory approvals like certificates from local authorities. Ensuring that these documents are well organized and accessible is key to a smooth handover process. Before the project is officially handed over, a final inspection is carried out to identify any defects or unfinished work. So here are some steps in the snagging process. Inspect the entire construction site for incomplete or defective work. Document defects such as poor finishes, plumbing issues or electrical faults. Contractors should rectify all identified issues before the final handover. The client signs off once all defects are resolved. Ensuring that all mechanical, electrical and plumbing system functions as intended is a crucial step in the handover process. Testing and commissioning verify that systems are operational and meet performance requirements. Here are some key systems to test like HVAC, that is heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems, electrical and lighting systems, plumbing and water supply systems, firefighting and security systems, lift and elevators. Each system should undergo rigorous testing with report documented for future reference. Even the best built facility can fail to function optimally if end users are not trained properly. Providing hands-on training to the facility management team ensures smooth operations and reduces maintenance issues. Here are the training focus areas like how to operate building systems efficiently, know-how of routine maintenance requirements, emergency procedures and safety protocols, troubleshooting common issues. Live demonstrations and detailed manuals should be provided to support long-term building maintenance. Once all inspections, testing and documentation are complete, the formal handover process can take place. This step involves the client and contractor reviewing the site together. All necessary paperwork is officially handed over to the client. The client acknowledges receipt of a fully functional facility. A structured sign-off ensures transparency and accountability for all parties involved. Even after the official handover, some construction defects or operational challenges may arise. Most contracts include a defect liability period where the contractor remains responsible for rectifying any post-handover issues. Here are some best practices for post-handover support. Provide a clear process for reporting and fixing defects. Schedule follow-up inspections to monitor performance. Offer ongoing technical support or extended warranties. A successful construction handover is also an opportunity to review what went well and what could be improved for future projects. Holding a post-project review helps stakeholders refine their processes and enhance future handovers. Here are some key takeaways for future projects. Identify major challenges encountered and how they were resolved. Gather feedback from the client and facility management team. Document lessons learned for continuous improvement. A well-planned and executed construction handover ensures that the project meets client expectations, functions efficiently, and remains well maintained in the long run. By following these structured steps like planning early, ensuring thorough documentation, conducting inspections, testing systems, and providing training, you can facilitate a seamless and successful handover. Proper coordination among all stakeholders is the key to delivering a high-quality, fully operational building, ensuring client satisfaction and long-term functionality. Thank you and see you all in the next video.